Hey guys, good morning and happy Friday. Happy early Friday to you. This is Kim, independent designer with Chalk Couture and Chalk is Chic. I'm going to get this pulled up so I can see comments if they come over. But we are live with our finale. One of the things I wanted to be able to show you this week were the Try Me kits. A lot of people love Chalk Couture or they love the idea of it. They get scared if they see a big project. So I'm going to show you a couple of projects that are available online, customer facing, so you don't have to have a huge investment in Chalk Couture, but you can try it out and see if you like it. Now, as always, all of our transfers are reusable anywhere from 8 to 12 times. So it doesn't matter if you get it in a Try Me kit or if you buy it outright just for me. They're all going to work the same. So the cool thing is once you get a transfer, you are going to be able to reuse it. I'm going to show you one of the ones that comes with the board and base. Remember, this is the one that we used the other day. It's a reusable surface. It's double-sided. Probably one of my favorites. If you have to pick a Try Me kit, I do love these because you have the functionality of using this board over and over and over again. So if you find something else you love that's Chalk Couture, you can definitely use it. But it's called This House Was Clean. Sounds like my house right now as I am getting stuff ready for Maui in a couple of weeks. Less than 2 weeks now, but my house looks like a tornado blew through. So we're going to start by fuzzing our transfer. And this particular kit comes with the transfer, teal, Couture teal paste single, as well as bright white. So we're going to put this on our board. And we are going to go ahead and take our Couture teal. And I am going to use the Couture teal on everything except for the word clean. The clean is going to be the emphasis here for me. So we're just going to do that, squeegeeing on and squeegeeing off. Really, really easy peasy. Now, the Chalkology paste singles that you get with the kits is, I mean, gosh, y'all, you can do one single can cover at least a size B transfer. So twice the size of the transfer. About 1.5 to 1 3/4 times. I'm not kidding. I've actually done them myself before, so I know, and I'll show you the chalk paste single in just a second. But your chalk paste single is going to last you quite a bit of time. Now, a lot of people are like, well, if I open it, what's going to happen to it? There's a couple of ways you can store it. One would be like a little mason jar. You can fold over the tip top of it and then just put it in a mason jar and keep it sealed as much as you can. You just want to make sure you fold it over. It's kind of like folding over a bag of potato chips, to be honest with you. If you don't close them well, chips are going to get stale. So if you don't close your chalk paste well, it's going to dry out. And eventually it will dry out unless you go ahead and use it. So we're going to go ahead and peel this up. Remember, you're going to peel top to bottom or side to side. So there is, This House Was Clean yesterday. Sorry you missed it. Whoever comes to my house today, they missed it yesterday. That's going to be their tough luck. But let me show you this Chalkology paste single before I show you another little Try Me kit that's available online. This one's super cute though. You can reuse it. You could make several signs for family that you know, and it is a super cute one. I think anybody can relate to that. Our Chalkology paste singles, though, come like this. They're in a little single pack, and you get 2 of them with this kit. So you would get the board, the transfer, and 2 Chalkology paste singles, and then a squeegee as well. And I know it's under $20, and then whatever the cost is for shipping. But this is a super cute one. Like I said, I'm partial to this board because of the reusable factor. The one I'm about to show you is super cute. However, you can't reuse it over and over again. You can use the transfer, you just can't use the board. So this one is one of my favorites. I've put the link up at the very tip top of this to give you the link to all of the Try Me kits so you can see them for yourself and see if it's something you would like to try out. And as always, if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to message me. I'm pretty responsive to all of the messages that I get in a pretty timely manner. Thank you, Kristen. It is super cute, super fun. Now, this one that I'm going to show you is not a reusable surface. So, here's the pros and cons of that. One, you can make a really, really cute decor piece, right? Or give a cute gift. And if you give a gift, you don't really need to reuse it, right? These pallet boards I absolutely positively love because their grooves are very, very close together. This is our 5x7. You can make this double-sided, so we could put something on this back side if we wanted to. But it stands up like that, or it stands up like this. So either way, it's going to stand up for you. Now, here's the dealio with this, though. The fact that you can't really reuse it makes it a one-time use surface. That's how Chalk Couture sells it. But I'm going to tell you a little secret. So let's say you bought this and you got it for yourself and you're like, you know what? I'm really, really tired of this country kitchen, because that's the one we're going to do today. This is another Try Me Kit option. You could theoretically take water, wipe this clean off your Chalkology paste, paint the surface, because it is going to leave a stain if you leave chalk paste on there. You could paint this surface and then you could totally reuse it. So is it a one-time use surface? Yes. Chalk Couture sells it as such. Can you make it more than a one-time use surface? Absolutely. And if you need any other tips or tricks, I am your girl. I am all about saving some money, not spending a ton, but we're going to work on this little cute country kitchen, bringing home the bacon. Absolutely adorable. Again, this one comes with 2 Chalkology paste singles, Guava, which is one of my favorite orange-ish colors. It's super beautiful, and Storm. Look at those 2 paste colors paired together. They're just gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and fuzz our transfer really well. Thanks, Melinda. I try my best. I'm all about saving some money, y'all. I'm the world's biggest, thriftiest person ever when it comes to like being, you know, I don't want to penny pinch, because if I like something, I'm going to buy it. However, I want to be smart about my investment. And for me, knowing what I know from chalk, I love these boards just because they're economical. Retail on this one is only $7.99, which is, to me, dirt cheap for a board that's reusable and functional like it is. But just the mere fact that I can take something and reuse it over and over and over again until my heart is content, it just makes me happy. And like, I don't have to store a bunch of inventory at home either. So I'm going to start first by doing Guava. We're going to do our pig in Guava and bringing home the bacon in Guava. I'm going to chalk away from where I'm going to be using Storm in just a second. Now, I will tell you, we are converting our paste formula. So you will be seeing some new paste. If you're going to follow me on Facebook or on my VIP page, Chalk is Chic, you're going to hear and see all about that. So I am using the old paste formula right now. That's the ones I have in this color. But the new one, if I was using the new Chalkology paste formula, I could actually leave this on there and chalk the whole entire thing and not have to pull up. But because I am using the old formula, I am having to pull up. So let me dry this really quick. And you're going to see more about that coming out very, very soon. It's just one of those things that we're in the midst of converting. If you've ever potty trained a kid, it's like being between pull-ups and big boy pants. It is really, truly, it's like at that in-between stage. So I have a bunch of old paste that I'm still going to be using. And then the new paste, the bright white and couture teal that you just saw, that's the difference. And I'll actually show you that before I get off this live so you can see that for yourself as well. So we're going to take this, we're going to line it back up. Now, it doesn't matter where you are completely. You want to be lined up as best you can. But the cool thing is with this, if you do a chalk pull like I just did in dry, you don't want to be pushing down here and here. You want to leave those areas alone. You've already chalked there. So the only place you want to worry about pushing down is where you haven't been. So we're going to push down kitchen and we're going to push down country. So the cool thing is too, if you pull up and you set that to the side and let it dry, your little area of chalk paste here and here is going to dry on your silk screen. Completely fine that it does that because it is water soluble, so it is going to come off with water. So we're going to start here, and I'm just going to squeegee on and squeegee off this gorgeous storm paste. And these two colors combined are just super stunning together. Really, really gorgeous. Again, squeegeeing on. Ooh, I went over my pig's feet. We might have to fix pig's feet. I got a little chalk happy this morning. It's early to be chalking, but I didn't want to not go live with y'all this morning because this is my last live with you, but we may have to fix pig's feet for real. We'll see once we pull it up. Okay, we're squeegeeing on and squeegeeing off. And there is that. So let's see how bad our pig is if we got his feet. I think we did. He looks like he has a pedicure. So we can fix our little pig feet. I'm going to hold it up because it's kind of humorous to me. Check out his little pedicure there on his little feet. He looks like he has snow boots on or something. We're going to fix our pig feet. I'm going to show you how to fix that little happy accident that we just had. That's kind of funny though, considering that it actually looks like mud almost, to be honest. Considering that we are in ice and snow here in Mississippi, and when I say ice and snow, like some of the roads here are, they are like skating rinks. We got a lot of ice in Mississippi, and so I just laughed because I said next week it's going to be horrible because our backyards are going to be just muddy, muddy, muddy. It's going to be just crazy here. But definitely saying prayers for those people in Texas because, guys, I still have electricity and I still have water and all those things, but Mississippi got hit hard with some ice. So I'm going to push this to the side for a second so I can show you how to fix that if something like this happened to you. But you can spray your little table. We're going to take our little pig, our poor, poor little pig. It just is so funny. It's funny it happened with the storm because it does totally look like mud. Totally looks like mud. I'm just going to clean this one little area. I'm not really worried about my whole transfer right at the moment because I want to show y'all how to fix this. So we are going to lay this back down here, and I'm just drying my little pig off. Now, I could totally worry about cleaning my whole transfer right now, but because we're live and I'm trying to save y'all time, I'm not going to sit and worry about cleaning the whole thing. But really, really quickly, you can clean that silk screen and it becomes where you can use it again. So we only want to focus on our poor little pig feet. And in case you missed it, oh my gosh, it is the most hilarious thing. I just got a little bit chalk happy, that's all. So we're going to line this back up. We want our pig to be all guava, right? So we're going to line it back up and we're just going to re-chalk our pig. I'm not worried about pushing down anything else anywhere else. I'm just going to re-chalk my pig. That's all I'm going to do. And not get happy and go into my storm down here at the bottom. So the cool thing is if you're on a surface that's not reusable, all you have to do, guys, is re-chalk over it. You don't have to do anything else, and your pig is pretty much fixed. So you don't have to do anything else but re-chalk over the area that you messed up on. Now, if you super duper messed up, you could go ahead and erase it really, 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 really fast and let your board dry, and you should be good to go. So a couple of quick things. The Try Me kits are available online. You can buy as many of them as you want to, but if you're thinking that you want to get started with Chalk Couture, I would highly recommend either a Try Me kit or Club Couture. They're both super duper economical ways of getting started with chalk. See if you like it. See if you want to do this or want to do something like this as a hobby. It's super duper fun. For me, I'm a pediatric oncology nurse by trade. So for me, when I joined in 2018, I really truly joined just a hobby and just to have something to keep me and my stress down, because my son was deployed overseas as well. So that's why I joined chalk. If you are looking at this and you're like, oh my gosh, I really want to do what she's doing, guys, I'd love to share more information with you as well. I'm a no pressure kind of gal. I let you know all the ins and outs, and if you make a great decision to join Chalk Couture, you make a great decision to join. But you're welcome to join me too on our business opportunity that happens tonight at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you want more information, whether you're catching this live or on a replay, even if today goes by and you watch this later on, you can comment KIT, K-I-T, and I will be happy to send you more information about that. But I hope you enjoyed these little cute examples of the Try Me kits. My favorite one by far is going to be the Board and Beso, just because of the reusability factor. And from an economical standpoint, it just makes more sense if you're getting started with chalk. So that's just my opinion, guys. If you have questions, let me know. Feel free to tag me in a post. And be sure to look out for all of my posts here on the page for giveaways for our deluxe party sampler, because that is still up for grabs through tomorrow. So y'all have an amazing Friday. Happy almost weekend, because it is officially here and kicking in just a few hours. So I look forward to talking with you soon. Be sure to follow me on Facebook or my VIP page, Chalk is Chic. I look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks for watching, guys.